Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. This video is in collaboration with Try Tuesday, and this is hosted by Samie from Unicorn Dust Design and her co-host Angie, the red-headed scraper. So in Try Tuesday, you just pick some of your favorite creators' creations and then try to recreate your in your way. So I have chosen few of Sammy's creations and I'm going to recreate them. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is a final review of some of the Samie from Unicorn Dust Design creations. So I just love her way of crafting. She has like nice warm tones. This year for some reason I'm loving gray tones. I saw her some of her creations in gray, so I just chose one of this picture that I loved it a lot, and I tried to recreate. It came out really well according to me. I hope she likes it as well. So like you saw the process, I got one of the square picture frame and I painted gray, and I also stuck that thing, I don't know what that's called, and then I stuck it on that picture frame and I painted white first and then I distressed it with gray paint here and there. And this is one of the tile that had beautiful verbiage: life is a journey, enjoy every moment. I kind of liked it, and it's going along with the color scheme of the picture, so I stuck that using permanent glue and also hot glue, and we have this beautiful picture. So I'm very happy how this turned out. Let me know your thoughts on this. And the next piece I chose this Be Humble signboard, and I tried to get that same color tone that she did, but mine is more like sea green. So I just painted it, and then I painted that color, and I distressed it with some beige color here and there, and I wrote Be Humble. Basically I stuck with those stickers from Dollar Tree, and this is one of the plastic jar that also is from Dollar Tree. And those florals, I wanted to stick out yellow flowers because it goes well with the blue background, and that's how she did as well, I think. And and also I just gave a twine around the bottle with a bow. So yeah, this is also very beautiful. I just love it. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on this as well. The third one is this cute spring signboard, and she had crackle paint. I didn't get the crackle paint, but I had this beautiful beige color, and I just had one of this brown burlap ribbon, and I just cut two of those pieces and stuck it together just to cover whole of this board. And that's one of the clip, clothespin clip, and then I stuck one of the cute butterfly, and also created a small tassel and stuck one of the beautiful pink rose in this corner. And guess what, this beautiful thing that I stuck it in the center, that's basically one of the wrapper for the hairband, and that had like beautiful design, and it had like white and black patches. So I just painted white and black to cover the letters already, and then I wrote spring with my Sharpie. So I didn't throw that piece because it had nice design on it, so it worked out well there. So I'm very happy how this turned out as well. These are the few of the beautiful Samie's creations that I recreated, and I'm very happy how these turned out. I hope she likes it as well. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.